Hey, good Sunday morning, friends and followers. I'm Kat, and this is Kat's Cooking Kitchen. And today I'm going to make, what did they call it? I've seen it called different things, but I'm going to call it a Mounds cake because to me it reminds me of a Mounds cookie bar. So let's get started. This is easy, except we have to wait till the stupid cake cools before I can put the finishing touch on it, but you won't have to wait as long as I do. Let's get started, shall we? In my mixer, I have a dark chocolate cake mix. I think it's called triple fudge, if I remember right. And we're going to add, according to the package directions, cup and a quarter of water and a half a cup of oil. And our 3 eggs. We'll let this mix together just a little. I don't know how other way to put it. I had some egg snot making a line down here. So, pull that out. And scrape my sides. Actually, I think that's all I'm going to do in here. The important thing is not to get too much air in your cake, which is completely the opposite of what you do when you're doing egg whites. You want lots of air in them. We just want this all mixed together where there's no... Just a minute, Rose. Okay. Push the garlic out of the way. As you can see, it's coming together very nicely. You have to remember, though, in these KitchenAid mixers, there's there's some powder coming up. There's a divot in the bottom, so you have to go in and make sure you scoop around that divot. Okay. And I think that's probably good. Now, I have a 9x13 already sprayed and waiting on the cake mix. Today I used Baker's Joy because when I was cleaning the pantry I found some. Baker's Joy has non-stick spray and flour mix. Because when I was growing up, you didn't bake a cake unless you floured or greased and then floured your pan that you were using. Okay, here we go. Got that. This cake just sounded so good. Okay. Now you'll be on pause for just a couple minutes here. Then I'm going to come back and I'm going to mix the coconut cream and the sweetened condensed milk. And we're going to pour that over the cake after we take our plastic wooden spoon and poke holes all in it. And then this will already be mixed, and when it comes out of the oven I can pour it, and you want it to sink down in all those holes. Then you have to wait for it to be completely cooled before you can put a layer of coconut and frosting, one of these, and you put it in the microwave so that you can pour it. Just drizzle it over the whole cake. It just sounds so very good. So you hang in there. Be back soon. Hey, I'm back for a quick second. I dumped my coconut cream in here, and it needed to be stirred, and it was kind of separated in the bottom of the can, so I just went in here and make sure it was all mixed. And then we're going to add in 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. I stuck my finger in the coconut cream because I've never used it. I'm telling you, it's yummy by itself. Okay, and that's all there is to that. I'll probably stir it up a little bit more. My dogs are anxious to go potty. Okay, that's it until we bring the cake out of the oven. So hang in there. I'll be back in a flash. Thanks for watching. Hey, welcome back. The cake is out of the oven. I almost said cat's out of the oven. I'm always out of the oven. Okay. And let me get my hot pad so you can see what I did. I took the end of this spoon. I punched a bunch of holes in it. Okay. I can't get it. That's in the way. I'm actually cooking some rice-a-roni for a casserole I'm making later. It's called chicken cordon bleu. I might have already done a recipe, but I might do it again this afternoon. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pour this. I'm going to pour it right over the top of the holes. We want it to go in the holes. Oops, pouring out a little faster now. Okay, and this is all there is to it until the cake has time to completely cool. You know, all this to sink into the holes. Get down in that cake. I did get a lot down in there. But of course, as soon as I get it in there, the cake just starts soaking it up. So we're going to be good here. My goodness, that looks like something yummy enough to eat right now. Okay. I'm afraid that's all we can do until the next step, which will be microwaving our chocolate frosting and pouring the coconut that I have back here. It's 7 ounces, and it seemed a little dry, so what I did was I added a little of the goop in here on top of it. And then we'll warm this in the oven, or not the oven, the microwave oven, until it's thin enough to pour. Then we'll top the coconut on it. You are in my way. I have a dog in my foot. And evidently my moving around doesn't bother her very much. Okay, so when we come back, coconut and drizzle the chocolate frosting all over it. This is going to be a yummy cake. This is the Sunday that we go to a carry-out once a month. And so I'm making my chicken cordon bleu casserole, and I made this what I call Mounds bar cake. So y'all hang in there. I'll be right back, and we'll finish off this cake and maybe sneak a bite out of the corner. No way I'll ever know. Unless they're watching this video. Hang in there. Be right back. Hi, welcome back. Cake's out of the oven. Or out of the oven. It's cooled down. It's been out of the oven for a while. So, sticky. So it's just, that's my chocolate. I'm just doing 30 seconds at 50% power because I don't want it to get too hot. And all we do is spread our coconut over here and get it leveled out. And it's getting there. Get me a little spoon. Well, if I can get a hold of just one, I will. There we go. Pretty good, but it's not quite there. I think another 30 seconds is going to make all the difference. Now I'm getting chocolate all over my microwave. Okay, 30 seconds. Power 50. Okay, let me get something to wipe up that chocolate I smeared. Oops. Gently shut it off. At least I got the chocolate off the door handle. I so badly smeared. Oh yeah, baby. This is very, very pourable. No. Try not to let it come out too fast, so I make sure I get it all over every inch of this top of this cake. I'm going to grubble drop some of it. Hey, oh no, Helga, no bark. No bark. Okay, folks. I'm going to take just a little bite out of the corner. Mmm. Very, very good. Very good. sticky fingers though. That's going to be very good tonight, especially after it sits and the icing gets a chance to soak into the coconut and top the cake here. Soak into the cake a little too, I'm sure. There we have it. Our Mounds candy bar cake. Yummo. Now I have to find a place to put this where it's safe from the prying hands of our new puppy. Little sucker, she's tall, so she can get her feet up here on the counter. She can't get back of the counter very much, but she can get into things, the sneaky doodle. Okay, you probably see my crock pot sitting back here. That has my 2 boxes of rice-a-roni already in the pan. Now I'm going to get busy on the ham, the cheese, and the chicken cream sauce, the chicken and cream sauce for on top of the casserole so that I can bake that and have that ready when we leave this afternoon. Stay tuned. I'll probably do another video right away. Hang in there, and thank you so much for watching me. I'm Kat. This is Kat's Cooking Kitchen. You can find me on YouTube or Facebook. If you like some of my recipes, you like what I'm doing, please share with your friends. I'd love to have some more people viewing my videos. Have a great Sunday, everybody. See you in just a little bit.